Hello again, I'm back with another ROM. This one is for the Nexus 6. This ROM is NextZen, NextZen. It's basically a ROM based off of the ASUS Zen launcher or the ASUS Zen operating system. The look and feel. Um, and I think the developer's name is VECTUS. He was the one that came out with um, the OneTouch3 ROM that I did a review on here not too long ago. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this. We're going to go into our settings. And about phone, you'll see it is 5.1.1 Android version. I'm running Hell's Core Mako, the Mako hot plug, not Mako phone. This is the Mako hot plug version. Um, and I run it because I'm running multi-ROM. I need a multi-ROM. I need that exec hard boot patch for the kernel in order to run multi-ROM. Um, and the SE Linux is enforcing on this. We're going to go into developer options. As you can see, the power menu is in developer options, so that is where you would go to set up what options you want whenever you hit the power button, and there they are. Um, I think that's pretty much it. Everything else in here is your basic Android setup, or your basic Lollipop setup is what I meant. This does come with Super U or Super Su built right into it. You do not have to flash it, download it, or anything like that. The only thing I do is download the Pro version, um, the one from Chainfire. So to help with developing. I like his apps. When I download or use somebody's apps and I like it, I always I like to donate. So that's my way of donating, is purchasing the Pro app. Um, Date and time comes with the 12-hour format already in place. Um, Trying to think here what is different. I think security, maybe something's a little different under this. Um, no, it's all the same. Let's see here. This does have CyanogenMod theme engine, so it uses that as opposed to RRO or the layers. Thank God, just my preference. Tap and pay is on there if you guys use it. Um, Sound and notification. Your heads up notification is in here. This is where you would think your heads up notification would be at, anyways. Since it is a notification setting, well, it is in here, just so you guys know. That's where it's at. Then under display, you have your brightness settings, LCD density, the three-finger gesture, where you put three fingers on the screen and swipe down in the screenshot. It does work. It works very well. I use it a lot. Just to let you guys know, it does work very well. Then you have your home settings, where you can pick your launcher. I am running the ASUS launcher, which comes with this ROM, and it works very well. I really like the launcher. I don't think I like it quite as much as Nova Launcher, but I wanted to leave that off and just run this for this review. Then we have build tweaks. Under the build tweaks, under status bar, you have your normal settings. You have your battery status style. You can choose whatever you want, your percentage to show or not show it. Then you have your quick down, your pull down. You can decide which side you want it on, or if you don't want it to have quick pull down enabled. Your clock and date settings, that's where you would go to set your clock, center clock, right, left. Unfortunately, there's no coloring to this. I wish there was, but there isn't. And then you have your clock widget at the bottom. Swipe to the right, you have your navigation bars. This is where you can change your navigation layout by hitting the edit button, and then just physically moving your buttons back and forth, and then hit save when you're done. These are the settings for your navigation bar height. If you so choose to change that, you can enable your nav rings or disable them, and I have them disabled. It comes enabled, just the way it is when you flash it. So I just disable it. I don't use it. Um, then on the bottom we have your recent panel settings. Uh, Everything there is about the same too. You're under your notification drawer. You have your task manager if you want to use it. I kind of like it. Then you can set up all your tiles. This is what I have set up and I am running. And this is what I do not have set up. So he has a pretty good selection. Then you have your normal enlarged first row if you want, or have it 4 rows. If you have a whole bunch of them engaged, and you don't want to take up a half a mile of space, you can do that. That's all there. Then you have your lock screen settings, double tap to wake or double tap to sleep anywhere, and then your lock screen shortcuts, which they are the bottom ones that you can change. And that's about it as far as the settings go. I don't think I missed anything. Again, I just want to go over this so you guys know the name of the build. And it is for the Nexus 6, and it is Android 5.1.1. And the the builder, or the dev is the developer, excuse me, is VECTUS, and he is the one that did uh, the other ROM that I did reviewed, which was the OneTouch3. I can't think. My grandson's running in the background, and he's kind of screwing with my head here. I'm going to go ahead and throw a theme on real quick to show you guys that the theme engine works, and then I'm going to show you the launcher. So here's the themes that I have loaded. Now I will say this: this is the top, of course, is your default theme. This is what the phone comes set up as, like that. But it also comes with this one on the bottom, the ZenFone UI CM12 theme. And this, it's a pretty good theme, and I'm going to go ahead and show that one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Style, and then on the status bar, and this gives it more of that Zen look. And nav bars, see, that's what the ASUS Zen looks like. And I think that is all I'm going to do for the theme. We're going to go home. It's the easiest way to get out of this. So let's show the recents panels so you guys can see that. And this is the Zen launcher, ASUS launcher that I'm running. If you swipe up from the bottom, that gives you your settings for the launcher. You have your apps and widgets. You can edit your pages by like that. Then you have your wallpapers. I will tell you that the live wallpapers, if you click on them, you have to download them. They're not on there, but I will show you some of the wallpapers that come with it. It just it has that ASUS ZenFone wallpaper look to it. It's really cool. I'm gonna go back to this one. I kind of like that one. We're just gonna apply that. What else do we have here? And like Nova Launcher and some of the other ones, if you have your favorite icon pack, download it as normal. Then go to your icon pack and choose from the icons here. We'll go with the Movie V5. I was running the Stealth. Now it changed to the Movie. Here's your app drawer. Another cool thing about the app drawers, if you go into the settings on that, the preferences, you can actually go to the Auto Smart Group, click OK, then back, and my app drawer, well, it was supposed to get smaller. Oh, I know why. Customized. There it is. And it just took, and what it did was it pulled all my apps and it threw them into groups that it thought best. So under communication, it threw everything into, it thought was a communication app into a communication folder, your media and videos, personalization, your productivity, and social, and tools. So it's actually pretty cool. I do like the launcher a lot. Trying to think. I'll show you the dialer. Um, that's what this theme looks like. I think it's pretty cool for just a stock look. I think that's about it that gets themed. I think the Play Store is just your basic Play Store. Actually, it's very white. So yeah, I don't like that. Google Plus, I'm guessing, is going to be very white as well, but that's not too bad. Um, but that's it. I'll tell you, so far the ROM's been running really, really smooth. I haven't had any issues with it. And if you like it, you can run over the XDA thread and look it up, download it. It's not as big a download as the OneTouch3. I think that one was like 700 megabytes. This isn't anywhere near that big. And try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.